Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry.
And I'm Irene.
Today we're going to be completing some more of our Christmas decorations. We've been having little bits and pieces come in, but today's the big day for the big thing.
It's true. A couple people have asked to see this, so
now you're going to see it.
We're stuck in the Christmas in the shower forever.
They'd already started to cut it before.
It was probably just a sloppy cutter when they were cutting the tree.
Anyway, I'll cut it right above that.
Okay.
Do you need a screwdriver to tighten them?
I will eventually, but right now, this is nice and loose because some genius used mineral oil on it this morning.
Glad I did that for you.
This is actually a smaller base than a lot of our trees have had lately. Nice tree though.
It is.
I was in love as soon as I saw it. The guy said, "That tree looks like it's calling to you." I'm like, yeah. Thinking to myself, unfortunately, because I know what the price is going to be. I wonder what they actually pay for them.
Yeah, the big thing is the shipping cost because it comes from, this tree came from Bellingham, Washington.
Did you have the tag on it this year?
Yeah. Temptation is incredible.
I'm sure it is. But Santa sees everything. Remember that.
He'll giggle.
Uh-huh. He will, huh?
Yes, he would. think it looks nice no matter which side.
I do actually think this is a really nice tree. It's pretty symmetrical. Any way you turn it's going to have...
I think it's fine right where it is.
I think we'll just slide it back in.
Yep. Okay, you ready?
Yep. Not bad. You think? I think it looks pretty good.
I think so too.
There's no major areas of gaposis. So
Well, it's not as big a tree or full a tree as we've had in the past, but
it's more like the kind of trees that you and I used to cut with the kids.
yep.
I much prefer that kind of tree. I don't care for most of the trees that are fluffier and stuff. Not a proper northerny tree.
No, it isn't. We're going to go ahead and tell people what we're going to be doing.
Well, since the kids are long grown up and gone, and the grandkids are on the other end of the planet,
And can't come visit.
what we're going to do now is what we've done for the last couple of years, which is I'll get out a bunch of ornaments and set them up probably over here on this desktop. And over the next couple of days, we'll just decorate it a bit at a time. Everybody who lives here, just the two of us, dog and cat are not allowed to play with the Christmas tree.
Well, the cat is.
Oh, well, she does have unbreakable ornaments at the bottom that she occasionally steals, but she's still not supposed to play with it.
But she's going to take them anyway. You know
Yeah,
that.
I do. This is why we have unbreakable ornaments at the bottom. Anyway, so we will be working on it over the next week, really.
Do you want to show people what's going on as it goes on?
I might take a little video. It depends if we're working on a concerted effort. Most of the time what happens is we're doing something, we decide we need a 15-minute break, and we'll grab a box of ornaments and put them
5-minute break.
5-minute break, yeah. Well, it depends. Sometimes a 15-minute break. But, yeah, I will get the cloth on the bottom, and we'll put the topper on, and then we'll just leave it be so that the two of us can get the ornaments on. I usually set a time limit in that I will say, okay, I'm tired of boxes all over my living room. We now have to put the rest of the ornaments on.
Yeah, well, unfortunately, we have about 15 boxes in the bedroom.
Yeah, there's 15 of the big storage boxes in the bedroom.
Because we have lots of decorations because we like decorating.
We do, and we have a lifetime worth of decorations, and we would need like 4 of these Christmas trees to actually use them all, because we have ornaments that were gifts from various people. And they're all beautiful.
Some from your parents, some from my parents.
Right, and ornaments from, like, when we went to see Kensington Palace in London, I have 2 Christmas ornaments from there, from the gift shop. So we're the kind of people who collect Christmas ornaments everywhere we go, so...
It's fun.
It is, and it's, every time you unpack it, it's like, oh, remember this, remember that. So, it's kind of like a family history story on the Christmas tree.
Well, thanks very much for watching. Our beginning of Christmas decorations is a lot of fun. It took a little bit of time to get to the tree, to cut the base, drill it out.
Yeah, we kept running up against the fact that, oh gee, now the sun has gone down, and do we want to do this outside with a flashlight? Not really.
Yeah, never want to do it outside. We've done it outside with a flashlight when it's been snowing.
Yeah. And then you have the problem that the tree's drippy because it's wet then too when you bring it in. So at least we didn't have a wet tree. This guy's just sat in the bathroom for a couple of days in a bucket of water. And as you saw, we always cut the bottom off the tree. And it goes into a waterproof container. And I water it every day. And
except when I water it, and so between the two of us, we end up overwatering it sometimes.
No.
I did.
Well, I've spilled water too. But Issa drinks from here too. And we haven't been able to break her of that habit. So this morning when I was, the little screws that hold the tree in place were very rusted in place. I was like, oh, I need to oil that, but I don't want to use regular petroleum products because I don't want to poison the cat. So I used some food safe mineral oil. And then once I had everything working, I wiped everything down. So the worst she could get is a little bit of the runs if she drinks too much. But I don't think it'll affect her because there shouldn't be much in there at all. But I was like, what can I use that's food safe that's not going to poison the cat? And
it's cat safe.
Yeah, it's got to be cat safe because she drinks from there. She thinks this is her personal water bowl that has a cool tree on top. So, you know.
And she hides under there and wants to play with the ornaments and
right, yeah.
bat Jack when he walks by. So
right, yeah, she thinks it's fun to jump out at Jack, and Jack's like, stupid cat.
Well, you want to say goodbye to everybody?
I think we should probably do that. We got to get on with the day. Lots happening. So be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell because there'll be tons going on. This is just a very small part of our Christmas decorations. I've got a couple things up here, but I still have a Christmas village that needs to go over there. And last year I put part of the Christmas village there and part of it on here. And there'll be lots going on with ornaments and the greenhouse and all kinds of other stuff. Until next time.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.